Hi guys, welcome back to Fiki Pell's channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. So for today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I restyled this Agbada. Yeah, I got it from my brother. I restyled this Agbada into this lovely dress. Yes, I did that in just a minute. So I'm going to show you guys how I did it. Let's go. Hey guys, so you get a measuring tape, and then from your shoulder, for me I measured 8. It depends on how you want it to be. So I measured 8. I'm going to use my scissors now to mark it, so I would get the cutting right. So that's what I'm going to do. Then I'll put it at the other edge too, so that I'll make it proper and fine. So guys, after cutting it, you're going to fold it. So you fold the top part to where you put the mark, can you remember? And you pick your scissors, and then we start cutting. So you have to cut it as low as possible, but if you're very conversant with the cutting and all of that, you can cut it very fast. So you can see I'm taking my time to cut it so I don't make a mistake. So we're going to take your elastic band. So I got some. The tinier ones are better than the big one. As you can see, I have the big one, but I noticed that it would be too big for it. So this tiny one, you just fold it and use your gum. So you have to fold it like really big like this, so there would be space between where the elastic is and where the gum is. I'm sure you guys can see properly. So just follow what I'm doing. And if you have a sewing machine, it is more easier, and it is more easier if you have a sewing machine. So just keep doing this. You keep folding and put it in place. Please make sure you don't gum the elastic to the material. Just make sure, you have to be really careful. So I'm going to do this all around the top, and that's it. So now what we can do is we're going to drag the elastic, so you keep dragging it so we can have the desired look we intend to. So just keep dragging, but you have to be really careful. So what I did after applying the gum, I waited for like an hour for it to dry off, so it will be perfect and I won't have any loose ends. But if you use the sewing machine, it's quite easier. You can just do that immediately. So you can also cut it, but I'm not going to be cutting this one. I'm just going to put it inside and hide it because I'll probably use it. So the neck is too long, as you guys can see. So after pinning it up, what I did was just tuck it in. The extra part from the neck, I just tucked it into that area, and that's it. There you go, it's perfect. I hope you guys will get to try this, and I hope you really liked it. And if you have any questions or comments, whatever, please just drop it in the comment section and I'll respond to you all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next week. Bye.